Welcome students, I am your commerce teacher Gurpreet Usan. In my previous video, we already started the journal entries. Now today we will discuss the purchase entries. Actually, I am dividing the purchase entry in two different parts. The first is cash and the second one is credit. Purchase entry on cash, that means when the company or a person purchase some kinds of goods like furniture, machinery, building and so on, and the company paid cash, that means the entry are relating with the cash. First, you can see the first entry, goods purchase rupees 2500. In that entry, the name of the goods is not mentioned. Which kind of goods are purchased by the company or a person. So that's why we do not mention the name of the good. That's why we write the purchase account debit to cash account, because the company paid cash and purchased the good. The amount is 2500. You can also write the narration, being goods purchased for cash. Now the second entry is purchased furniture for rupees 2500. In the second case, we mention the name of the thing, which kind of goods are purchased. We purchase the furniture. So that's why in the entry we mention the furniture account debit to cash account. Now furniture account debit to cash account, and the amount is 2500. We also write the narration, being furniture purchased on cash. Now the third entry is purchased furniture for rupees 2500 for cash. In that case, furniture and cash are mentioned. So that's why it is easy to find that which kind of goods. The answer is furniture and the company paid cash. Now we create the third entry. Third entry is same like second entry. That means furniture account debit to cash account, and the amount of the furniture is 2500. The narration is also same, being purchase furniture for cash. Now the last case is purchase furniture for rupees 2500 from Vishal on cash. You can see that in this entry, furniture, Vishal or cash are mentioned. Which kind of goods are purchased? That the answer is furniture. And the company paid cash. But the Vishal, who is Vishal? Vishal is the supplier. In that case, the name of the supplier is Vishal and the company paid cash. Sometimes the students think about that the supplier name is mentioned and the entry is credit. No, it is not the credit entry, it is a cash entry, because in this entry we also mention that on cash, that means the company paid cash. So the entry is purchase account debit to cash account. Now we create the last entry, furniture account debit to cash account. The amount of the furniture is 2500. We also write the narration. The narration is being furniture purchased for cash. I hope students you like this video. If any doubts regarding the purchase entry, then please comment. Thank you.